Quick example of orbital welding. Purge bung at the end. Orbital welder head. Bung for the purge gas. Here we have the control unit. So start process. We got 20 seconds of pre-gas purge. Already done these bends. And we're off. So it's pulse welding, no filler wire, just fusing it in. Pipe through gas, pure argon. So it keeps the inside of the tube perfectly welded as well. Head rotates around the pipe. We've set it to go 375 degrees. There's a 15-degree overlap just to ensure a good weld. We've set the machine at, I think it's about 67 amps, so fairly hot for 1.5, but where the tungsten is set at the 1.5mm gap, it's perfect. So we're in the post gas stage now. There's 20 seconds of post gas. 5, 4, 3. Head rotates back and we turn off purge gas.